Hello, this is Catherine from the YusiBooks team. Welcome to YusiBooks Online. Let's take a quick overview of the dashboard. The dashboard displays quick statistics for common activities, including today's invoices, today's sales, monthly sales, and total sales for the current month. Below this, you will find sales analytics graphs showing sales performance, lead conversion rate, invoice status, monthly sales, and recent activities. Select invoices to create, view, or edit invoices for your clients. Select clients to create, view, or edit client information in YusiBooks. Quotes. The Quotes section allows you to create and view customer quotes. From payments, you can add payments to your dashboard and track the paid status of client invoices. Expenses. This section is dedicated to expense management, where you can record and manage all business expenses. Time management. The time management feature allows you to track project time on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Projects. The Projects section contains all your projects in one place. In the Payroll section, you can add, manage, and view employee payroll details. Accounting. The Accounting tab includes all account-related features, such as adding accounts, viewing transactions, transferring funds, and generating reports. You can generate financial reports including cash flow reports, account activity, profit and loss statements, and balance sheets. Analytics and reports. The Analytics and Reports section provides comprehensive business insights and financial analytics presented in graphical form. Subscriptions. Under subscriptions, you can choose and purchase a YusiBooks plan based on the features that best suit your needs. Settings. To update or modify your YusiBooks profile, go to Settings, where you can update your company logo and company details. Use the logout option to securely sign out of your account.